How do you start on a skincare routine? Well, my best advice is to start with a cleanser. A cleanser will help dead cells of your skin to be removed and open up the pores, followed by essence. It absorbs very quickly into the skin, energizes the cells, and primes the skin. My next step is the Serum NAC Y² Repair Serum. This is full of antioxidants. I will follow that with the Eye Gel Lift. This is for applying right under the eyes and over the eyes. And finally, during the day, I will use day cream. Contains a lot of hyaluronic acid that will keep your skin very well protected. In the night, I will follow the first 4 steps, and instead of the day cream, I will use the night cream. This is specially formulated to regenerate during the sleeping hours. If you use the skincare routine, you will see sustained and significant improvement on the quality of the skin. Come and visit us at Blue Mercury, Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue, Cos Bar, and many more. But you can also get one-on-one skin products on our website.